group. Okay, it's a functional group, which is like this, which in the general formula. Or if the question asks you to name it, name is carboxyl. Okay, carboxyl group. Okay, so for carboxylic acid, okay, carboxylic acid, the next homologous series, the fourth homologous series we have discussed one, CnH2n plus 1, COOH, which is COOH is the functional group for the carboxyl, for the carboxylic acid, and we name it as carboxyl group. Okay, we name it as carboxyl group. Okay, then next one. Okay, so let's say we have 3 carbon atom. Okay, let's say we have 3 carbon atom. Then when we stated when they have 3 carbon atom, we always substitute N with 3, right? Okay, normally when we say got 3 carbon atom, then we will substitute the N with 3. But for this case, cannot say. Okay, cannot. You have to minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Because carboxylic acid, they got 1 carbon here. Okay, they already got 1 carbon here. So you have to minus 1 first before you substitute it. Okay, so you can see 3 carbon atom. Okay, when 3 carbon atom, I take 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1. That means now N equal to 2. So N equal to 2, so become C2H5COOH. Okay, C2H5COOH. But when you calculate it, you see that got 2, 3. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3. So total, they have 3 carbon atom. Okay, so because the functional group, they have 1 carbon atom. Okay, 1 carbon atom. So we have to take the number of carbon atom minus 1 first. 一定要先减1，因为 COOH 有一个 C 的。Okay, so like just now the example, which you have to write down for 3 carbon atom. Okay, 3 carbon atom. So 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1. So now the N is 2. Okay, the N is 2. So 2, you substitute it, the N with 2, so you will get C2H5COH. Then to draw the structural formula, here got 3 carbon, so 1, 2, 3. Functional group for carboxylic acid is COOH, so we write down the functional group first. Then they are measured for bonded 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we put the H. Okay, and then for this one, to name it, okay, to name it, 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon. So 3 carbon is prop. A and E, we cancel the E. The ending for carboxylic acid is OIC acid. So propanoic acid. Okay, propanoic acid. Okay, now we look at another example. Let's say the N is equal to, let's say we say that they got 1 carbon atom. No, sorry. Okay, let's say they want to 1 carbon atom. The question asks you to draw the structural formula with 1 carbon atom. So you have to minus 1. Okay, minus 1. That means now in this case, N is equal to 0. Okay, N is equal to 0. So N is equal to 0. So this one C 0. H, this one 2 times N. That means 0 here, but here got plus 1. So that means just left HCOOH. But this they still got 1 carbon atom. Okay, so when carboxylic acid, the question asks you to write down the molecular formula or structural formula, you have to minus 1 first, because the functional group got 1 carbon already. Okay, so let's say now I ask you to draw the structural formula with 1 carbon atom. So you got 1 carbon atom, you minus 1, that means N equal to 0. So N equal to 0. Then you substitute it, so you will get HCOH. Then to draw the molecular formula. So this one COOH. This is a functional group. Then make sure 4 bonded. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put the H. So 1 carbon atom, met. A and E, we cancel the E, substitute it with the ending OIC acid. So methanoic acid. Okay, methanoic acid. Okay, so carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, why we call it acid? Okay, why we call it acid? Okay, so refer back to the definition. Acid is the compound form when hydrogen ions from the acid replace. Sorry, I give the definition wrong. Acid is the chemical substance that ionizes in water to produce hydrogen ion. Okay, so this is the definition for acid. Acid is the chemical substance that ionizes in water to produce hydrogen ion. Okay, so any chemical substance that can dissolve in water and produce a hydrogen ion, we call it acid. Because with the presence of hydrogen ion, it can show the acidic properties. Okay, can show the acidic properties. So for I take propanoic acid and methanoic acid as example. Okay, so for methanoic acid when we dissolve in water, okay, it dissolve in water, it will ionize partially, produce the hydrogen ion. Okay, it will ionize partially, produce a hydrogen ion. Okay, same with if we use the structural formula, also same. HCOO negative and hydrogen ion. Okay, so from here you can see actually got 2 hydrogen. Which one will become hydrogen ion? Only the hydrogen ion that joined to the oxygen, they can become hydrogen ion. Others cannot. So this hydrogen joined to C, it cannot become hydrogen ion. Okay, so this one in molecular formula one, so joined to the oxygen one can become hydrogen ion. So left HCOO negative. Okay, so these are HCO negative. Okay, same with propanoic acid. Okay, propanoic acid, you can see they have 5, 6 hydrogen. Okay, 5, 6 hydrogen. Is it the 6 hydrogen can become hydrogen ion? So the answer is no. Only the hydrogen that joined to oxygen will become hydrogen ion. So I write down here. Therefore, this one COO negative plus hydrogen ion. Only this one will become hydrogen ion. Others remain. Okay, so from the structural formula or from molecular formula, from here you can see only 1 hydrogen that joined to oxygen. 只有一个 hydrogen 接跟 O 罢了 the other all joined to the carbon. Therefore, okay, therefore, the ion produced always -1. Okay, -1. If you use the molecular formula, also same, ionize in water. So C2H5COO negative plus hydrogen ion, because only this hydrogen ion that joined to oxygen will become hydrogen ion. Okay, so the ion produced always positive charge and negative charge, 都是加一减一罢了。Okay, so from here, do you see that all produce hydrogen ion? Okay, they can dissolve in water, produce hydrogen ion. So it's an acid. Okay, carboxylic acid is an acid, so we call it acid. And it's only ionized partially. So some of them ionize become hydrogen ion, some of them still exist in molecule. So ionize partially. So carboxylic acid actually is the weak acid. Okay, all the carboxylic acid is the weak acid. Okay, so in form 4, what you know is just ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid. So now you can know that actually weak acid not only got ethanoic acid, we have metanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid. Okay, so because the presence of COOH, okay, COOH, so carboxylic acid, the simple molecule for carboxylic acid, okay, simple molecule soluble in water. Okay, simple molecule soluble in water. Okay, so you can see because of, okay, that it can, the number of carbon atom increase. Okay, number of carbon atom increase because the hydrocarbon part, sorry, become bigger. When hydrocarbon part, which is insoluble one, become bigger, it become more affected. Okay, more affected. So the solubility of molecule in water decrease when number of carbon atom increase. Okay, so for physical properties, because the presence of COH, the functional group, carboxylic group is soluble in water, it's more affected. So simple molecule can dissolve in water. But when the number of carbon atom increases, the hydrocarbon part will become bigger. Okay, let's say we have 6 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 carbon atom, you can see, oh, this part is insoluble in water. Okay, so this part is insoluble in water, then this part is soluble. So you can see when the number of carbon atom increases, here got 5 carbon atom, this one 2. Okay, number of carbon atom increases, the hydrocarbon part become bigger. When hydrocarbon part become bigger, it more affected. Okay, so the solubility of compound dissolved in water will decrease. Okay, will decrease. Okay, so the other similar with other acid, which is sour taste. Okay, pH less than 7. Okay, turns blue, litmus paper, red. Okay, so these are the physical properties. Okay, physical properties. Okay, now we look at the chemical properties. Okay, we look at the chemical properties. So chemical properties, that means the reaction for acid. Okay, the reaction for acid. So in form 4, what you have learned is acid react with metal, form salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, acid react with metal, form salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, so salt is the compound form when hydrogen ions from the acid replaced by metal ions or ammonium ions. Okay, salt. Salt is the compound form when hydrogen ion from the acid replaced by metal ion or ammonium ion. Okay, so we starting from strong acid first. Okay, strong acid because you're more familiar with it. So hydrochloric acid react with the zinc. Okay, react with the zinc. So you will produce salt and hydrogen gas. So salt is a compound form when hydrogen ion from the acid replaced by metal ion or ammonium ion. So what you get is a zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So balance it. This one 2, this one 2. So this one also 2. Okay. So now we look at the carboxylic acid. So HCOOH, the methanoic acid, react with the zinc. Okay, react with the zinc. Salt is a compound form when hydrogen ion replaced by metal ion. So just now we had discussed only the hydrogen that joined to the oxygen will become hydrogen ion. Okay, so just now we had discussed it. Only the hydrogen joined to oxygen will become hydrogen ion. Okay, same with this one. The H joined to the O1 will become hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion that joined to the O will be replaced by the metal ion. So what we get is the HCOO negative. Maybe you can see Zn 2 positive and hydrogen gas. So the charge is not balanced. We cross multiply. So this one must bracket 2. And then this one 1. Okay, so this one HCOO 2. This one also H2. So but this one 1 only. So balance it 2. Okay, maybe another example, C2H5COOH, the propanoic acid, plus magnesium. Okay, same, although it's here got many hydrogen, but we know that just how we had discussed that only the hydrogen that joined to oxygen will become hydrogen ion. Okay, it will become hydrogen ion. So this one H is substitute it with magnesium. So become C2H5COO negative. Then magnesium is 2 positive. Okay, so these are always positive and negative 1 charge. Okay, negative 1 charge because only one hydrogen ion will ionize. Okay, only one hydrogen ion will ionize. Okay, so cross multiply, bracket 2. This one no charge on hydrogen gas. So this one 2 H2 balance it. Okay, so this is the first reaction. Okay, first reaction. Now we look at second reaction. Acid react with metal carbonate. Form salt, carbon dioxide gas, and water. Okay, so same we starting from strong acid. Okay, we starting from strong acid. Let's say sulfuric acid. React with the magnesium carbonate. Salt is a product form when hydrogen ion replaced by metal ion. So this hydrogen ion replaced by the metal ion. So what you get is a magnesium sulfate, carbon dioxide gas, and water. So balance already. Okay, so now let's say ethanoic acid. It means 2 carbon. So 2 minus 1, now n equal to 1. So we substitute n equal to 1. So become CH3COOH. React with the magnesium carbonate. So you can see many hydrogen, but only the hydrogen joined to the O will become hydrogen ion. So magnesium, substitute it. So what you get will be CH3COO bracket 2 Mg. Okay, carbon dioxide gas and water. Then balance here. This one CH3CO got 2. H also got 2. So this one put 2. Okay, another example, let's say pentanoic acid. So pentanoic acid, pen means 5 carbon. So 5 minus 1, now N equal to 4. So C4H9COOH react with the calcium carbonate. So only the hydrogen that joined to O will become hydrogen ion. So substitute it here. So what you get will be C5H9COO bracket 2 Ca and H2O and carbon dioxide gas. Then balance. Okay, so this is a second reaction. Acid react with metal carbonate. Okay, acid react with metal carbonate. Okay, and third one, acid react with base. Okay, acid react with base. Then it will form salt and water. Okay, acid react with base, form salts and water. Okay, so base, we got 2. One is metal oxide. Another one is metal hydroxide. Okay, so base is a metal oxide and metal hydroxide. So it can be HCl react with the metal oxide first, and let's say copper 2 oxide. Okay, copper 2 oxide. So hydrogen ion from the acid replaced by metal ion. So what you get will be copper 2 chloride and water. Then balance it. Or nitric acid react with the potassium hydroxide. Okay, because base we got 2, either metal oxide or metal hydroxide. So metal oxide, salt and water. Metal hydroxide also will be salt and water. Hydrogen ion replaced by metal ion. So you will get KNO3 and water. Okay, so now we look at the weak acids. So for weak acid, let's say HCOOH react with the zinc oxide. So same hydrogen ion from the acid replaced by metal ion. So what you will get will be HCOO bracket 2 Zn and water H2O. So H2, this one 2. Okay. And then ethanoic acid C2H5COOH with sodium hydroxide. Same H, then we substitute it. So you will get C2H5COO and A, because sodium ion is positive charge. So Na and then plus H2O. So this is the equation. Okay, so for carboxylic acid, what you have to know is the chemical reaction for acid that you have learned in Form 4 Chapter 6. Same one. Okay, acid with metal, salt and hydrogen gas, acid with metal carbonate, salt and carbon dioxide and water, acid react with base, salt and water. Okay, salt and water. Okay, 来有问题吗？ Is there any questions? 有问题要问吗？ So acid quite simple because this one you have learned it in Form 4. So as long as you understand the theory, so there will be no problem for you. Okay, for example, you have to know what does it mean by salt. So what of the hydrogen's ion? Okay, one of the hydrogen's ion replaced with the metal ion. So you will know what is the salts produced already. Okay. 来，有问题吗 ？If not, we can stop already. Then the other we continue at the school. This is what we have been discussed at the school. So the other we continue on coming school day. 所以有问题吗？没有问题，我们就可以停了咯。
没有。
没有啊 ，all clear 哎。Okay, so if no problem, then we can stop it here. Then the other we continue at school. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair.